All right, in this video, we're going to go over two things in your contact manager. First thing we're going to go over is what landing page did someone come in on? And the second thing we're going to go over is what autoresponder are they on, and can you add them to another autoresponder? So what you're going to do is you're just going to scroll down your leads. Again, if you watch the first video, you know how to search out and find leads. I'm just going to scroll down here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit the plus sign, and when you hit the plus sign, it's going to tell you the lander name that the lead came in off of. For example, this lander was credit 3. Lander means capture page, what capture page it came on. And you can actually look at the date and the time they actually entered their info. Now, to see their autoresponder, where you can go here and hit to add mail campaign. And you can click there to view mail campaigns. And if you want to add them to a mail campaign, you just would go and find the mail campaign you want. Again, I have all kinds in here. And let's say I wanted to add them to credit. I would just click on credit, and that's the mail campaign you're on. Then I would just exit the box, and then you could see that right there. And then I could click on add, and that contact would be added to that campaign. This is great if you already have somebody on an autoresponder. Let's say they were a lead, and then they become a member of yours, and you want to send them member type emails. So maybe you have an autoresponder named member. You could literally take that contact out of the one campaign and put them into another campaign just by doing that. Again, all you did was click this little down arrow, add the mail campaign, and that's it. And to find out what capture page they came in on, yeah, you hit the plus sign. See the plus sign right here, and it says lander name. That way you know where the lead, what page the lead came in off of.